Hey guys, welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can insert clip, insert videos on your Premiere Pro project. So suppose this is a project, this is my A-roll clip. I want to insert some B-roll on top of this clip. To do that, I need to go to my project panel, and from here I can insert any video clip that I want. If I just click and drag any video clip, it will insert the entire video clip on top of my video, right? But I don't want that. I want to select the video first. To select the usable portion of your video, you need to double click on your video clip. Then from the source monitor, you need to make a in point or out point. Suppose I want to use the clip from here. I can click here on this section which is marking, or you can press I on your keyboard, and I want to use till this part, right? If I press O on my keyboard, it will make a out point, right? And now you can click and drag this video here, but see, it is importing, it is inserting the video and audio together. I don't want to use the audio file for this clip because this is just a B-roll. I don't use the audio of this clip. To insert the video only, you need to click here, which is drag video only button. If you click here and drag it, it will insert the video only on your timeline. But if you're working on a long project, maybe 1 hour long or 2 hour long podcast, then if you want to use some B-rolls on top of your main A-roll, then it will kill a lot of time. To do that efficiently, you need to use some keyboard shortcut. So now I'm going to show you how you can do that exact same thing using keyboard. So if you want to insert this clip on your timeline, suppose you want to insert the clip here on this blank space. If you press comma on your keyboard, it will insert the clip there. It will insert the video and audio together. And if you want to insert as a B-roll here on top of this A-roll clip, if you press comma, then it will override the section, right? It will make a trim here, and then it will place the video clip there, and it will ship the video forward side. I don't want that. I want to use the file as a B-roll. I don't want to replace my main A-roll, right? So let's undo that. So if you want to insert the video only, then you need to change the source patching, which is there. Here you can see the source patching is targeted as V1. So if you want to use track 2, I mean V2 for your inserts, for your videos, then you need to change it from V1 to V2. Now if you press comma, it will insert the clip on that section on the second track, but it will again replace, I mean override the main clip. I don't want to touch my main clip. To do that, you need to use override keyboard shortcut, which is dot, I mean full stop. So here, if you want to use this B-roll, if you press dot or full stop, whatever it is, it will insert the clip. So you can see the audio is also inserting. I don't want to touch the audio. For that reason, you need to uncheck this A1. If you click here, and now if you place dot, it will insert the clip here. So that is the thing. First, you need to set up source patching for override or insert from V1 to V2, and then you can use the keyboard shortcut to import the video clip on your timeline easily. Now you can see the video is importing, but the size is not correct because the A-roll is 4K and the B-roll is not 4K. It is 1080p clip. To correct it, you need to go to edit, then you need to go to preference, and from here you need to click on media, and from this section, from the default media source scaling, you need to select it to set to frame size. Click there and then click OK. Now if I delete that and if I press full stop, then it will insert the clip here, and you can see it is not a small video size. It is upscaling the video size properly, matching with the size of my A-roll. Now let's insert some B-roll very easily. First, I want to insert this video clip. Maybe I'm making an in point, then out point, then I'm pressing dot. Then if I want to insert a video clip here, then again I'm going here, then I'm just selecting the portion that I want to use and pressing dot here. Again I want to use a B-roll here, then I'm just selecting the part that I want to use, maybe from here to here, then I'm just pressing dot. So it is a very fast way, right? So you can see we have already inserted some B-roll clip on our timeline using keyboard shortcut. You can use the keyboard shortcut, comma and full stop to insert video clips very easily on your timeline so that you don't waste any more time. So that is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.